Morning, children. Today we will learn about laws of chemical combination. Uh, First unit of class 11th, some basic concepts of chemistry. So this is a very important topic. As we know that there are 118, 120 elements in periodic table, but how many compounds are there? So you can think that there we have the millions of compounds formed. So what is the way how these 118 elements unite to form these millions of compounds? So they do so according to certain laws called as laws of chemical combinations. So first law is law of conservation of mass given by Lavoisier. According to this law, the mass of the substance remains conserved during any chemical reaction. It means mass of reactant is equal to mass of product. Suppose A and B are two reactants, they react to form two products C and D, then the sum of masses of A and B should be equal to C plus D. तो अगर इसमें इन चारों में से कोई तीन दिया हुआ है तो हम फोर्थ को निकाल सकते हैं by using law of conservation of mass according to this. Now we will take another law of constant proportion. It was given by J.L. Proust. According to this law, when any pure chemical compound, irrespective of its sources and methods of preparation, it is always made of same type of element combined together in same proportion by their masses. It means the proportion by mass of the element in any pure chemical compound is always fixed, always constant. It does not depend upon the sources from where it is obtained or method of its preparation. For example, if you take carbon dioxide, then irrespective of the sources, whether the carbon dioxide is obtained from air or it is made by the burning of carbon in oxygen or by decomposition of calcium carbonate. So if you take the carbon dioxide, then it is always made of carbon and oxygen, and the ratio between these two elements is 3:8, which remain constant. Now similarly, if you take water, whether it is well water, sea water, or it is made by chemical reaction, water always contains hydrogen and oxygen in the ratio 1:8. So this law is called as law of constant proportion. Now another that is very important law is law of multiple proportion. This was given by John Dalton. According to this law, when two elements combine to form two or more chemical compounds, then the different masses of one of the elements which combine with the fixed mass of other element bears a simple whole number multiple ratio. For example, when carbon combined with oxygen to form carbon monoxide and carbon dioxide. So if we see in carbon monoxide and carbon dioxide, by keeping one of the element constant, here carbon is kept constant, it's 12 gram is taken, but with the 12 gram of carbon, the masses of oxygen reacting, they are 16 and 32 gram in two different compounds. So the ratio in the different masses of oxygen which combine with the fixed mass of carbon is in the ratio 1:2. That is the simple whole number multiple ratio. So let us do one question. Suppose hydrogen and oxygen react to form two different compounds, and in first compound the percentage of hydrogen is 11.12 and in second it is 6.25. Prove that this data is according to law of multiple proportion. तो ऐसे केसेस में आपको क्या करना पड़ेगा कि जो दूसरा एलिमेंट है उसका भी परसेंटेज निकाल लीजिए. तो अगर हाइड्रोजन इसमें 11.12 है तो ऑक्सीजन कितना हो जाएगा, 100 से घटा दीजिए. Similarly, in another case also, hydrogen is 6.25. So find out the percentage of another element, oxygen. 100 minus this one, and this is equal to this. Now what happens next? You have to keep the amount of one of the element constant. तो आपको दोनों कंपाउंड में ये कैलकुलेट करिए कि अगर हाइड्रोजन का अमाउंट हम फिक्स कर दें, जैसे 1 ग्राम कर दें, तो उस 1 ग्राम हाइड्रोजन से जो ऑक्सीजन कंबाइन हो रहा है उसके मासेस क्या हैं. So if you calculate that 11.12 gram hydrogen combined with this much gram of oxygen, so 1 gram of hydrogen will combine with 8 gram oxygen. Similarly here also 6.25 gram hydrogen combined with 93.75 gram of oxygen. So 1 gram hydrogen will combine with approximately 16 gram of oxygen. So you are seeing if we keep the amount of one of the element constant, that is 1 gram and 1 gram, then the different masses of oxygen that are combining in two different compounds, they are in the ratio which is simple whole number multiple ratio. Hence it is proved. So this is answered. Thank you.